Magandang buhay sa lahat at welcome back dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay papaliwanag ko po sa inyo on how to find the area of the shaded region in this figure. So ang tawag po sa shaded region na ito ay sector of a segment. So paano nga po ba i-calculate yung sector of a segment or area of the shaded region? Yan po yung aking papaliwanag sa inyo step by step. Okay, so let's start with this number one example. So given yung ating circle, the name of the circle is circle Q, and we have arc PR. The measurement of this arc is 50 degrees. And we have QR. So ang tawag natin dito ay the radius of the circle. The measurement is 8 centimeter. So the question is, we are going to find the area of the shaded region. So ito pong area na ito. Ano po? And this is called a sector of a circle. So paano po i-calculate yung sector of a circle? Ganito lang po yon. So the area of sector PQR, so this one, PQR, so the area is equal to the ratio times area of circle. So ano pong ibig sabihin ng ratio? Yung pong ratio ng arc sa kabuang circle. And then, the area of the circle. So we are going to multiply. So the question is, paano natin kukunin yung ratio ng arc PR to the whole circle? So ganito lang po yon. So for the ratio, kunin natin yung measurement ng arc na 50 degrees. So ito po 50 degrees. And then i-divide natin yan sa 360 degrees. So ang 360 degrees is the measurement of the whole circle. Okay? And then you just reduce to lowest term 50 degrees over 360 degrees. To reduce, we can cancel yan, yung 0 sa 50 at yung 0 sa 360. So this will become, magiging yan po ay 5/36. So, yung 5/36 ay hindi na po yan pwedeng i-reduce sa lowest term. So, lowest term na po yan. Okay, next. Okay na po yung ratio. Next naman ay yung area of circle. Okay, so what is the formula for the area of circle? Ito lang po yun. The area is equal to pi r squared, wherein r stands for the radius. Okay? So, substitute lang natin. Area is equal to pi. And then, r is radius. Ito po yung radius ng ating circle. The measurement is 8 cm. Kaya, that is 8 cm square kasi pi r square. Okay? Simplify natin itong 8 cm square. So, this will become area is equal to pi. I-square natin yung number 8 square at yung ating unit na centimeter kaya centimeter square. And then simplify, 8 square is equal to 64 and then saka natin lagay yung pi and then the unit square centimeter. Okay, so yan po yung area ng circle. Okay, so now after that ay i-multiply natin itong ratio and the area of the circle. Okay, so let's multiply. Again, yung ratio is 5/6 at ang area of the circle is 64 pi square centimeters. If you're going to multiply, 5/36 times 64 pi square centimeter. So again, may common factor po ang 64 at 36. Yan po ay divisible by 4. Kaya 64 divided by 4 is 16 at yung 36 divided by 4 is equal to 9. Then, tignan natin kung may pwede pang i-cancel. So, wala na pong pwedeng i-cancel yan or i-reduce. So, we just multiply 5 times 16. Okay? What is 5 times 16? That is 80. And then, yung pong pi at yung ating unit na square centimeter. Kaya 80 pi square centimeter at yung ating denominator dito na 9. Okay? So, over 9. So, that is the area of sector PQR. So, ito na po yung area of the shaded region. This is 80 pi square centimeter over 9. Okay, so about this number 2 example, so we're going to find the area of this shaded region. So this is MAT. So the given arc here is 150 degrees. So the same process, we get the ratio of this arc and then we get the area of this circle. Then multiply natin. So this will become, una natin ay ratio. So 150 yung ating measurement of the arc, 150 degrees over kabuuan ng circle is 360 degrees. So if you're going to reduce that one, again, you can cancel, okay, 0, and then 15/36. So yung 15 is divisible by 5 and 3. Okay, so at yung 36 naman ay divisible by 3 and 12. Kaya pwede pong i-divide sa 3. So yung 15 divided by 3 is 5. Lagay po natin sa taas. At yung 36 divided by 3 is 12. Okay, so this become, okay, so ito na po yung kunin natin yung natira, 5/12. Okay, so that is the ratio of this arc to the whole circle in lowest term. So 5/12. Next ay kunin natin yung area of this circle. So letter B. So the area of the circle again is A is equal to pi r squared. So yung area is equal to pi and yung radius ng circle ay 6 centimeter. Okay? So substitute natin pi times 6 cm square. And then simplify natin. So 6 square and then cm square. Then simplify yung 6 square. 6 square is equal to 36. And then pi centimeter square. So yan po yung ating area of the given circle. So okay na po yung ratio, 5/12, and then the area. So all you have to do is you multiply to get the area of the shaded region or the sector of this circle. Okay, so let's multiply. The ratio is equal to 5/12 and the area of the circle is 36 pi square centimeter. Okay? So, yung ratio ay 5/12, multiply natin sa area, 36 pi square centimeter. So, in this case, pwede po nating multiply yung 5 times 36/12. But, kung pwede po ninyong i-reduce na direkta yung numbers to lowest term ay i-reduce na po natin. Okay. So yung 36 at 12 ay mayroon siyang common factor which is 12. So you can divide 36 by 12 that is equal to 3 and 12 divided by 12 that is equal to 1. And then multiply the remaining numbers. So yung remaining numbers dito ay 5 and 3. So what is 5 times 3? That is 15 and then yung pi. So 15 pi and then yung unit natin na square centimeter. And then over, this is 1. Pero pag 1 po ang denominator, no need to write 1. So the sector of the segment or the area of sector M80 is 15 pi square centimeter. Salamat sa panonood kaibigan. Kung nagustuhan mo yung video na ito, please click like and then subscribe kung bago ka pa lang po dito sa aking channel. So kung may katanungan ka sa video na ito or sa lesson na ito, ay pwede mong i-comment sa comment box at hintayin po ninyo yung aking reply. Be sure lang po na kayo po ay nakapag-subscribe upang sa ganon, kapag ako po ay nag-reply sa inyong comment, ay manonotify po kayo.